Now the next question, we have to find out the nature of the roots. We know how to find the nature of the roots. These are the three different conditions. If b square minus 4ac, that is the discriminant, is equal to 0, we have two real roots. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, we have two distinct real roots. These are two equal real roots, these are two distinct real roots. And if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, we have no real roots. Now the question says, find the discriminant of the equation 4x square minus 12x plus 9 equal to 0, and hence find the nature of the roots. So how do we go about this? We write the equation, it's 4x square minus 12x plus 9 equal to 0. We compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So we get a equal to 4, b equal to minus 12 and c equal to 9. Okay, now we have the discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Am I right? So this is the discriminant. We just have to put all these values into that. So we get minus 12 square minus 4 into a is 4 and c is 9. So it is 12 square, that is 144, minus this value is also 144. So this is equal to 0. So if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, the equation has two equal real roots. If the determinant is equal to 0, the equation have two equal real roots.